Hello, everyone. This is Rick from TaxDome here with several updates from the past month that we are certainly excited for you to check out. However, before we get started, we've got some great news to share. TaxDome won big at the CPA Practice Advisor Reader's Choice Awards. More than 5,500 of your peers voted, and TaxDome cleaned up, scoring top 3 in 5 categories and winning the overall Comprehensive Firm Workflow Solutions category. These accolades speak to the comprehensive platform that we are building today and also to the impact that we are having on the community. On behalf of the entire TaxDome team, thank you so much to everyone who voted for us. Now, without further ado, let's jump into this month's updates. First up, we're saving you time and bringing you more customizable TaxDome experience thanks to a handful of usability upgrades across the entire platform. For starters, with the new revamped job sidebar, you can view the important context for the work that you're doing and bring your team up to speed fast. Within the sidebar, we've also made it easier to track time. You can now start timers with one click within any job or any task. With these time tracking upgrades, you will have the data you need to allocate resources effectively across your practice and identify areas where your own processes can be optimized further. Within the next few months, the comment area of the job sidebar will also be redesigned, making it easier to leave notes and to mention your teammates. As we've added more functionality, it's time for some organization. We've redesigned the navigation menu and sidebar to allow you to get where you need to go much faster. For quick access, the plus, new, and search buttons are always visible in the menu, even when you scroll down. And also, in the menu, the search has been redesigned, making it easy for you to find what you need across the platforms. To complement these new usability upgrades, we've also polished the interface. It's the TaxDome you know and love, but with improved visibility thanks to a redesigned color scheme. Also, just as a reminder, you can now learn about these and other recently released and upcoming interface improvements on our website's new UX improvement page. Our final UX update involves changes to the pipeline design page. You can now create and modify your workflows faster. Stages are visible right away, so you can add automations or conditions very quickly, while less frequently used settings have been moved to a separate page. So that's all for today, everybody. Thank you very much for joining. We do look forward to seeing you again next month when we'll have even more updates to keep your practice on the cutting edge. In the meantime, please make sure to check out the June 2024 update on our blog for a full overview of this month's releases and enhancements. Bye for now. We hope you have a great day.